Okay, the last one for today. I marked this one as purple for me, and yours is in yellow. So when I look at arcsine, I think, oh, I'm looking for an angle, and then I'm going to use that angle with tangent, okay? But if I'm thinking about arcsine, then if you recall, we're either going to be in quadrant 1 or quadrant 4, one of those, all right? Because I'm allowed to go up to pi over 2, or I'm allowed to go down to negative pi over 2, okay? So since this is negative, then I think we're in quadrant 4. So we are going to make a sketch here of the right triangle. And we can verify it with the graphing utility, but that doesn't seem necessary, does it? Anyway, for sine, the opposite is 3. So I guess we'll do something like that. The opposite is 3, and the hypotenuse is 4. Okay? And yes, it's negative because it's down there. We're keeping track of y for sine. And then we'll get something. This is our angle right here. And we would find x, but as we look ahead, we're not going to need x, are we? Well, wait a minute. Yes, we are going to need x, because tangent relies on that. So, okay, that's fine. Let's find x. So we say c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Well, c squared is 4 times, well, I guess I'll do this. And I'll say a squared, and we'll say negative 3 squared. Doesn't matter that it's negative, I'm squaring it. So 16 is equal to a squared plus 9. And I subtract 9 from both sides. And a squared is equal to 7. So a must be the square root of 7. So x equals the square root of 7. Okay. And so now that angle, whatever it is, we can call it u if you want to. We will say the tangent of u then, now that I know, when I see arcsine, I'm looking for that angle. That angle right there. So now I know it. Well, I don't really, but I have u all diagrammed out there. And now for tangent of u, I don't really need the angle. All I need is the opposite over the adjacent, right? Okay, so I can do that, the opposite over the adjacent. And then I don't like square root of 7 on the bottom. So I'm going to fix that and say negative 3 square root of 7 over 7. And that seems good to me. So, do you need a graphing utility? I sure don't think so. I would like you to draw this, but that's it.